quick intro. What's good, my Lee Bears? I'm doing a quick intro just for the video because this video is very disorganized. So basically I'm gonna be doing like a get ready with me. I'll put a voiceover maybe or some music, something like that. And I just wanted to show you guys the makeup that I did for graduation. It was very early, so I did not feel like smiling or interacting with the camera, basically. I'll be inserting pictures and everything like that so you guys can see like what I wore and stuff like that. I vlogged some of graduation. I did not vlog a lot because I felt kind of weird vlogging in front of everybody. Afterwards, I did not really vlog because I had a headache and I didn't eat, so I basically just ate and came home and slept. That's how my graduation day went. Sorry about the water. It's my fish tank over there. So at any point in this video, if you guys enjoy it, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. Turn post notifications so you're notified when I upload because YouTube is trying to play all of us. I'm doing a face mask right now. It's like 12 in the night. Alright, let's just get started with the video. Shout yourself out.
At Andy of the Trends on Instagram. Boy! Yeah, we got food.
Good. Ew, bye. Say hi, Annie. Say hi, Annie. Annie, are you scared?
Annie, are you okay?
Say hi, Yasmin. Say hi. Say hey to Elijah. Say hi, Keisha.
Fuck!
We're about to graduate.
I know.
Leah Allyannah, Leah Allyannah. Leah Allyannah.
go off when I enter the building.